Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to estimate postage cost on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Chrome and type in etsy.com. When you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course, if guys, you already do not have a profile, you can always go and register to Etsy before this. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have categories where we have all of your categories, which you can of course go and check out. We have the search bar where you can go and search for any single item, and in the top right corner, everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can go and estimate postage costs on Etsy. So the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the shop manager. You can do that by clicking in the top right corner. As you can see, you have shop manager. So here, of course, you have to go and create your own shop. So you make your shop unique, yours, etc., etc. So when you do that, you will have it there. You will be in the shop manager mode. Then select help from the menu. And when you have selected help from the menu, you need to go and select estimated postage cost. Then what you need to do after that is go and click on choose between domestic or international. So it depends on you. And then enter the required information for your package. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.